Hi, I just find out this uh, uh, a quite interesting artificial flower from Ikea. It's called Vinterfint Amaryllis. So this is the details and also some of the pictures actually. Okay, so yeah. All right. And when I got this, it's only 7 ringgit, and I believe there's two versions. One is the one that I bought is white color, and the other one is red color, probably. Okay, the normal price is 15 here, and I bought 7 ringgit. So product details, you can pause if you want to read more. Okay, all right, that's it. So let's look closely into the flower details. So first of all, this one, I believe this is for the Christmas Vinterfint. It's only for Christmas, so yeah. So there's 3 buds. So it looks like this, and the whole stem. So it's like this. This long. Okay. All right. Yep. I bought this just for to put in on at my room. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.